Good morning guys, welcome to day 3 of my vlog. So I woke up, I had a brekkie and now I am gonna have a bath. The washroom is amazing, but before that just wanted to give you a quick room tour of my room. So this is what it looks like. It's a little messy right now. Oh, and that's me. Hello there. So yeah, it's a little messy, don't mind. So that is how my room looks like, and now I'll give you the sort of view. And this is what my view looks like. I'm on the 29th floor, so that's what it looks like. And there is Haji Ali as well. I'll zoom you in. So that's Haji Ali. Like, you're literally gonna go inside it, okay, with my zoom. So yes, that's Haji Ali. And that's all of the Worli Sea face. And there was where the YouTube Fan Fest took place. So the hotel is really nearby. I still cannot speak, and let me like unzoom you guys because all you can see right now are my lips, which is not phone. Stop. So yeah, so I still can't speak. I'm really tired and I just want to sleep some more, but I won't. I'll take a bath because the bathroom is amazing. Let's take you there. And this is what the washroom looks like. Again, it's phenomenal, and they have 2 wash basins. I don't know why. And hello there again. And this is the place where I'm gonna be for the next 1 hour. They also have nice bath salts, which I really want. Just normal washroom, nothing too great, nothing too fancy. Kidding, just kidding. But for a while I'm just gonna be crashing again. Just a little 5-10 minutes sort of. So finally this is gonna be mine in a minute. Let's add the salt. Smells divine. So I'm just gonna take a nice amount of it. A little bit more. Can't wait for this to fill in and me to dive in. Oh. I literally had the best bath ever. Simply because I was so tired. Phone again. I was so tired. I felt so good after that warm bath. I almost remembered my Sunday rituals as a kid. So as a kid, every Sunday I used to have a bath in a bathtub. I have one at my place. So every Sunday we used to do that. Simply because Sunday was our leisure day. We had no school, no nothing. So every Sunday we were like bathtub, and we used to take like hours and hours. And because I was so tiny at that time, I used to like swim in the bathtub. And now I don't even fit in it because I'm like all tall and grown up. I fit in it, but it's just like I can just like sit or like lie down, nothing more than that. So feels so good. I feel like my bed is calling me. Are you calling me? Oh, I think you are. Should I sleep for 5 more minutes or get dressed? Oh, someone is calling me. Wait. Hello? Yes? Yes? So those were basically people from the YouTube department asking me if I wanted any travel or anything, but I'm just gonna go around the city, so it's alright. I don't need travel. I'll travel by myself. That's cool. But I think I should get dressed now. But this is so much more tempting. I'll get dressed, yes. I might just shoot another get ready. I dropped my towel. I just might shoot another get ready with me. Like a casual one. Like yesterday it was like all full on makeup. But today I might just shoot like a casual one. I have so much makeup with me right here and in this bag. It is crazy, but all of it came to use yesterday, so it was all worth it. So I'm just heading out to see a little bit of Mumbai because today is my free day. So I'm out and about. I am planning to see the town side today, like Bandra, Linking Road and places like that. I might just go to Colaba as well and try and shop because I couldn't last time. I have certain things in mind that I want to shop or at least find. So yes, I'm just heading. I'm in my cab right now. Hopefully we'll find some good deals today, and I am planning to go to First Beauty again today because Daredevil, not a quitter. So Yes, let's bring it on day 3. So I'm heading towards Colaba now, and yeah, it's a different taxi altogether. I had to drop my luggage because if I went with my luggage again, then no one will be ready to bargain with me. That's what happened with me last time as well. Like no one was ready to bargain with me simply because I had luggage. So I dropped it, and now I'm in a different taxi altogether. So yeah, I'll try to get some good deals because I want to do a Colaba haul so bad. So yeah, right now I'm at Girgaon Chowk Party. Like I'm just gonna cross it. I'm not going there because it's way too hot to actually be at Chowk Party right now. I think it will be more like a evening thing, but I'm just heading towards Colaba Causeway. So I was shopping at PAX at Colaba and I met with an SD Fam member, Saili.
Hi.
Say hi to Saili. So Saili, what's up with you?
I really love you and your Nykaa. Oh my god, your Nykaa shoot. I'm so glad to meet you, and I love all your reviews.
Thank you so much,
And they're
Saili.
you're true, I don't have to give a second thought like should I buy. I just see your review and I buy it.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you for coming up and saying hi to me. It really means a lot to me.
It's really it's something which it's like, oh my god, I met Shreya.
Chalo, let's say bye to them. Bye guys. So I met with another SJ fam. Say hi, Mansi. So she's Mansi, and we just like all chilling and shopping at PAX. So there's Saili and Mansi, and we just like normally, just like normal everyday shopping. So what's good around here? Like Colaba mein aur kahan I can go? Because I'm not from Mumbai, so
Yeah,
So
Colaba.
Hill Road.
Yeah, Hill Road.
Hill Road.
Kahan
Hill
pe?
Road and Linking Road.
Yeah.
Bandra.
Okay.
Bandra,
Okay. So
yeah.
how far is it from here?
It's like if you go by train, it's only one hour.
Yeah.
Half an hour by train.
So that's like a short distance.
Yeah, and you'll go crazy shopping there.
I didn't know because from in Delhi, half an hour is like a big distance.
Yeah, but you're not here by train. It's like half an hour,
Half
so
an
you
hour.
can travel and you'll get awesome stuff there.
Achha.
And you
So
have
I should go to Linking Road and I should go to Hill Road.
Yes.
So I'll go to Linking Road and to Hill Road, and obviously I take all of you along. And now I'll just talk to these lovely, awesome ladies here and try to shop something for myself as well. So I picked up a few pieces of jewelry. Oh, I'm not in focus. Focus. Thank. Is it focus now? I can't see anything. But anywho, I picked up a few pieces from Colaba. I still didn't get any good deals on clothes, which is sad, and that's why I'm going to Linking Road right now in the hope of finding good clothes at good prices. So yes, I am heading towards Linking Road, and there's this beautiful I don't think you can see it. Let me zoom you in. It's a clock, is it? I'm not too sure if it's a clock tower or something else. भैया वो सामने क्लॉक टावर है वो सामने जो है वो क्लॉक टावर है
वो टेलीफोन इंजीन है क्या
क्या है
टेलीफोन इंजीन
Marine Drive. One of my favorite places in Mumbai is this. One is Worli Sea Face and the other is Marine Drive. The Make in India Tiger. Sudden change of plans. Rather than going to Hill Road today, I'll be going to Ghatkopar to First Beauty. I'll go to Hill Road tomorrow morning, and I didn't really get anything in Colaba again. I tried, guys. I searched so hard. I tried. I think it's like the level that you are used to, and then you can't drop down, maybe you can say. So I'm so used to Sarojini that Colaba is good. By no means I'm demeaning it, but Sarojini is better. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm not complaining. No, not at all. I'm just saying that I'm so used to having this that I can't go even till here. So my choices have peaked. They've peaked forever and ever and ever. So that's why I think I can't shop from Colaba. ये वाले शेड्स दिखा दो मुझे.
ये अपने साइड में रखते हैं.
I just got done with a little bit of shopping at First Beauty. So yeah, I didn't buy a lot of things, but I bought a lot of things which I knew that I would be not able to find easily in Delhi, because obviously I don't want to get Maybelline, L'Oreal, Revlon, because I can get them easily. So I got some things from Kiss Beauty and In Color and brands like that. I will obviously do a complete haul separately, so you'll have to watch my channel for that. But now I'm just heading to Powai Lake because it's like nearby and it's like a good place to be, and hopefully I can get a bhutta there, or a corn on cob, or like a sikawa bhutta basically. So yes, I'm just heading to Powai Lake. I don't know how much of Powai Lake you can see, but it's quite calm and nice. It's good to get away from the hustle and buzz of city. It's quite serene right here. The weather is good, there's wind, and yeah, just gonna get myself some corn and just sit here, relax with my luggage, because cool like that. So yes, just gonna relax for a while. I've been like hustling all day long, so I'm gonna relax. So I don't think first of all you can see me, but if you can, hi. I'm just heading back now. I'm done for the day. I thought I had a whole day to myself, but nothing like that. I got so much of traffic today. Worst cab drivers and auto drivers today, and everything today. Like I am really tired now. And all because I've been just traveling. I have not been actually doing anything, but I've been traveling for like 2 hours, 3 hours, and I'm like, done. But yes, I am really pumped up for tomorrow. I have my meet and greet tomorrow, and I'm really excited for that. So yeah, I'm gonna end my day 3 on this note. Thank you guys for sticking around with me for another day in Mumbai, and yes, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, take care, bye, and I have a hair in my face. Bye.